In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create estimates in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account, how to set up a new estimate, and how to save it so it's ready to send to your clients. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you've selected the correct location or sub-account where you want to create the estimate. Once you're on the main dashboard for that location, look for the option labeled Payments in the left-hand menu. This is where Go High Level keeps everything related to money, like invoices, subscriptions, and of course, estimates. Go ahead and click on Payments to open that section. Inside the Payments area, you'll see several tabs or options. Find and click on Invoices and Estimates. This section groups together both invoices and estimates because they're closely related documents. Invoices are for confirmed charges, while estimates are for proposed work or pricing you want the client to approve. After you've opened the Invoices and Estimates section, look for the tab or button labeled Estimates. Click on Estimates to switch from viewing invoices to focusing only on your estimates. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier to manage quotes you've sent or plan to send. Now that you're in the Estimates area, you'll see a list of any existing estimates if you've created them before. To create a new one, look for a button that says New Estimate. This is usually located near the top right of the page. Click on New Estimate to open the Estimate Builder screen. On the Estimate Builder page, you'll fill in all the important details. Start by selecting or adding the client or contact you're sending the estimate to. Then add line items for the products or services you're quoting. For each line item, include a clear description, the quantity, and the price. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, including any taxes, discounts, or terms you want to include. You can also update the estimate title, due dates, and any notes or conditions you want the client to see, so they understand exactly what's included. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're happy with how the estimate looks, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click on Save. This locks in your estimate and adds it to your list inside Go High Level, ready to send, share, or refer back to whenever you need it,